kitu. Wewe ndo unaenda nayo.
Mimi ndio naenda nayo. Wenye nafanya vitu gani? Sio unaelewa. Oh. Wewe ni kasoro. Ni kasoro.
Kuja hapa.
Usikaze sana itakatika bwana.
Sasa nataka zikazike.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. It depends with the time you're watching this video. I'm here. I'm in a place called Rabot Village, Migori town, somewhere this side. I come here to install this lights here in a village. Yeah, this is the Rabot village, I think. This village, by now it's raining. As you can see now, it's raining, so I can't climb. Yeah, till the rain gets up. So by now I'll wait, but I will try to assemble this. So this is where I am. Is it? If you know, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Yeah, I am now. There's my queen there. Let me show you that one. It's there waiting for me. And today it's dirty. When I go back in my village, I will take it to car wash so that it can be Mbona unanyeshewa? Yeah, I am, guys. Remember, this is not my village. I just come to do a solar installation, and it's still raining, so I can't do the installation, so I have to wait first. These are the solar panels with the floodlights. These ones here. This is the village where I need to install some. Yeah, so that's let's wait and see. Remember, I'm from East Africa, Kenya. Kindly, my beautiful family, subscribe to this channel. Kindly.